as a project and how it helps in your agentic infrastructures and agentic pipelines. Okay, we will be talking towards agentic hallucinations and data retrievals and memories and knowledge, and how our connector OS helps you to safeguard your agent memory, stability, and knowledge graph. So for skeptics, we will be doing a raw API request. Okay, you see the endpoints and the payloads. Like raw API response will be output, and then we will play the games. The thing will be the first, like the thesis is connector turns AI from short-term guessings to a long-term stable constraint following reasoning. Okay, we will be playing this in a 4 stages or 4 phases. Phase 1 is memory stability, where we will send the 30 packets and we will see the behavior. Phase 2 is the instruction fidelity, rule service noise, and vanilla LLM forgets. Okay, then after we will go stability reasoning, multi-step consistency and dehallucination and determinations. And the phase 4 is execution discipline, triple deny and scope violation, evidence chain. So let's start. Okay, so the first what we did was, okay, what we did and how it behaved, right? So first we have input, okay, the original memory and the new memory, and then contradiction report, okay, interference detections. Okay, this is the interference what happened. Okay, so the packet was inside, and let's see how it behaved. So you can already see that, right? The packets is 33, operation is 30 bits, the demos, everything is working, right? Let's go back and then let's see the 4 stages. Okay, so what we are doing, the recall accuracy, we are checking the recall accuracy, and then how it behaved as per LLM response, right? We'll be seeing that. So you already see that. Okay, we did a post in completions like agent like this. Probed was summarized patients, IDs, and everything. Clinical summarization scope. Okay, so this was the data we had. Okay, memory 2, memory 2, memory 2, memory 2, and initialization, like whatever was the presentation initialization it done, GCS and everything, which was in the memory 3. Okay, so query medication allergies. Okay, the response. Okay, then this is the connector response, means like it's a LLM response. Latency was 6279. Okay, which is normal for the LLM response. So this is the response we get. Okay, and then how it behaved and everything, and then the accuracy context, which like recall accuracy was 4 out of 5, that was 80%. Okay, and for this less memory, okay, 80% retrieval rate with context accuracy of this kind of things is super stable. Okay, although it is demo, okay, and we have to test it further in like production environment, which might take time, but still it's a great success in my terms. Instruction fidelity, okay, rule survival, where we provide certain kind of instructions with the command prompts, and then it has to follow that, and we see how much stability it takes in that following that, right? So we give the prompt instruction and expected things. Okay, so latency and everything you can check it, and vanilla LLM comparisons, and the main thing is the output. Okay, this is the output. This time it takes like long time because it did 3 things at the same time. Okay, also trying to reduce the cost. Okay, everything is there. Okay, refusal, accepted, no, vanilla LLM freely recommended. Okay, everything has done. Okay, so let's review the agent. Risk is high, like right now they're saying risk is high. Okay, security baseline is violation detected. I guess something happened, or so, I don't know. Okay, we have, this is the internal behavior, might be in the demo phase it's showing violations and everything. Okay, but see, it's not lying. The best part is it's not lying. If there is something issues, okay, it is popping up. So let's go and trace the agentic behavior for last 5 minutes. Although it's not 5 minutes, but still we can trace it. So you can see the behavior, everything, okay, which is the chain it's already created, okay, it's growing. You can see all those journals, okay. Payload CIDs will be there. Rejected, they don't create. Deposit, they creates. So all those are going on. The stable reasoning, which we will be trying now, okay, we will see the knowledge graph creation, synthesis, cross knowledge synthesis, and then reasoning stability, the hallucination chains, and determinism. So it's taking some time because it's using LLM. So you can see that, okay, like multi-step reasoning was there. The prompt was this, and then required was what all those data he needs to get from the knowledge base, and then it needs to use it, okay. So you can see all those knowledge, like this is the LLM response using our system, okay. Then deterministic test, same query, second run, okay, it run for second time for checking the ECG things, then other findings and everything. And it, like, the fact consistency was 90%, okay, which is the test it has been done, and the test is doing itself, okay, and checking stability. Then dehallucinations we see, okay, dehallucination test, okay. So the same like similar kind of prompts and everything we gave, okay. Let's see. Okay, it's taking time, okay. So you can see here, right, the for response for the first 600 characters, okay. So you can see all those, like right now I don't know why the response is not coming, okay, but still you can see the dehallucination. I guess it's not allowed. 1 minute, okay, no thing, okay. So I guess something issues came and it didn't allow to produce the error. Yeah, claim verified unavailable. So you can see that claims verified, so no response came here. There's no response here, okay. So connector proof, like let's prove it. Let's prove what happened. Like proof basically, I guess we have to, it creates the chains. Oh, sorry. So you see the LLM like response chain, it has all the LLM response chain, okay, which is being created, okay. Then receive chains, execution trace, and everything which is being created here as it is working, okay. Let's go for another demo, or like another slide. So execution disciplines and constraint enforcement, where you can put your constraints, evidence, and the last is final is evidence chain, okay. So you can see the evidence chain, okay. You can see the behavior, okay. We try basically what we did first. Let's see that, okay. Prompt, and then this is the constraint we were giving, okay. This is the response we got, and then enforcement analysis is done. Then like, firewall inspect was there, because right now we are also inspecting, like we are also giving the constraints, so firewall came into activation. And this is the evidence chain that created during the process, okay. Now let's check the cost. Let's see how much money is spent in this demo. Let's go back, and then let's see, okay, paste, enter. So you can see, okay, it's a cost, and it's a live cost per like API in and out. So you can see that, okay, how much was in, how much was out, and then what was the cost, and it is live every time, okay. You will get that. And we also have adaptive configurations, okay, where you can choose 2 or 3 LLMs, okay, under for certain agents, 1 agents or 2 agents, okay, with like 1 agent doing like building something, or doing actions, 1 reviewing, okay. And then you can set up like 3 to 4 LLM configurations, and as for the requirement, okay. And it will create a knowledge graph, and it can use different LLMs as for their capabilities to reduce the cost. Right now it's using DeepSeek Chat because I have DeepSeek Chat API right now. So I guess you understand the things, okay. What the connector has, the capabilities in memory stability and dehallucinations, and we will be seeing next time is PII and data secrets and data validations and everything, I guess. So bye, let's see you in the next video.